So now at 80, Chief has every reason to be happy because only few people live that long in this part of the world. And maybe as a golfer, that helps him to maintain his good health. I know he liked golfing. He tried to encourage me, allured me to it, but I told him this is a big man game. Me, I not be big man. So we wish him a very happy birthday. He has every reason to celebrate. He's played a critical role in the Nigeria polity, economy, and society as a reputable architect, a well-known politician, one that has friends across the length and breadth of Nigeria. So I wish him a happy birthday at 80, and he's entitled to relax that day and enjoy it, because not just to be 80, but the fact that he's healthy. And when I spoke to him last over the phone, his voice is as firm as ever. So he has every reason to give thanks to God, and all his well wishers and I. We wish the Chief happy birthday. And he should enjoy it, and there should be a lot of red wine and marinated chicken for those of us who are his extended family friends.